It looks good because it looks good, honey, because you waxed it. That your car, Pudding?
Yeah, and Daddy's car.
That's your car.
This car.
Is that your car? Look at me. Look at me.
Look at me.
Oh,
It's a big car. Big car.
And big mistakes. I've made a few.
is that tape, honey? That music there? FM? Is that tape? Is the radio? I guess you're the only one clean the car with that mask in your
That damn thing's hot too. And I'm about ready to die.
You got that allergies, honey, ever since you're a little boy? Honey?
Not really.
Huh? Huh?
No. Well, yeah, but not as bad as it is now.
Is that your car? Yes, it is. Okay. Where's mommy's car? Where's mommy's car? Where's your car? Where's your car? Here's your car.
Here's the car.
Yeah. Where's daddy's car? What kind of tire you got here, honey? Is this the original wheels tire before?
No.
It's a new one that you bought?
Yeah.
BF Goodrich.
Oh yeah.
You finished eating?
C-A-E.
Did you finish eating? Why you? Huh? You're out of fish. The fish is there beside your plate.
Boring.